Hello everybody, Dadas here, talking to you from the Dadas Discord server, Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where I stream all my trading every day live. So you can join me there and you can watch me trade, you can ask me questions. Of course, that's what a Discord server is for, so that we can interact and simply hang out and yeah, and maybe even trade together if you wish. Anyways, the link with the invitation is below in the descriptions. Just click on it and join my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. Of course, every day at about this hour, I do my daily recap, talking about what happened and what I'm currently in the process of doing. Now, recently, I've been working. Of course, you know that I'm trading the DAX 30, the DAX 30 index. Because of its volatility and possibilities. Now, recently I've been working on this specific expert advisor, or in other words, I've been modifying and introducing a specific trading algorithm to my Dada's trade ruler manager, and I've been testing and looking at what's going on. And of course, as predicted, today, for quite a long time, the market was in this quite a tight range of consolidation, and that's why the trades started losing. So in other words, there was a short signal, there was a reverse candle, and of course I was today I was trading on the opposite candle, right? So close on first opposite candle option. So I got a stop loss here, a stop loss here, a stop loss here, another one here. And the algorithm was a bit different at that time, so there was another short right here, and it got this one was a reverse candle, opposite candle, so it got taken out. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lost trades in a row. Now, what happened later was that the market started moving one directionally. Now, I didn't have this algorithm yet. So there wasn't a signal right here. That's why my expert advisor didn't take the trade. I took a trade manually. Well, this account allows me for such a lot. So this was very simple. I had to recover these losses with a little bit of with some profit, which I did. So basically, I secured myself some more so that I can lose, so I could lose it, yeah, again. But however, the idea is that if in the normal conditions, if this condition had been coded before, then the expert would have taken that trade right here, and it would have just been following this trade until the first opposite candle, so around here, and that would have been around 120 pips. In the best scenario, 120. In the worst scenario, maybe 118 or something like that, right? Anyways, if everything were right in my codes, or yeah, then simply these losses would have been recovered with quite a hefty profit right here. Well, so I had to work a little bit more on my code today, and that's what happened right here. That's why you see those two signals right here, right now. They wouldn't have been there. Those signals wouldn't have been there in the other scenario. And then again, the expert when I introduced the whole other all the algorithms, and I finally got the whole thing to work again because there was another mistake there, a small one, but yeah, but still, it was associated with the ATR, and because I introduced the ATR limitation or restriction right now. So at this moment, this ruler looks like this. So I've rearranged this a little bit since yesterday. So first we have the auto trade Renko true. Then we have these TP points. That's virtual Renko take profit points, but that's for this option closed by profit, right? So I can choose the option close by profit, or I can choose the close on first opposite. And now the ATR thing applies. The ATR restriction applies to every pattern. Also, I've rewritten a little bit the pattern selection right here. So I have this 3 in a row pattern. I have the simple counter candle pattern. I have a reverse body inside wick and same direction deep pullback. So those are two patterns together, right? And this is the last one is the new pattern, same direction deep pullback, right? So that's the pattern I was basically I didn't have. That's the pattern I didn't have. I was trading in the morning. I was trading the reverse body inside wick. I didn't have the same direction deep pullback, and that's why I couldn't take that other trade. Now, also, I'm also thinking about, because at this moment, I mean later on, right here, I was trading both scenarios, but of course the deep pullback, same direction deep pullback didn't appear anywhere on this here part, right? So basically we didn't get that there, but I've also been working on this indicator that is painting the candles, because the expert advisor doesn't need painted candles, but so right here I can switch on the pattern that I wish to see. For example, this is same direction deep pullback pattern, and then we would see that we get fewer signals, and then in this situation, this I would have gotten only one trade here, and that would have been this one trade that was lost, and then I would have gotten this trade here that would have gone all the way up there. There wouldn't be any trade right here. There would be this long trade right here, and there wouldn't be this short trade in only that scenario. But then I would also need to choose only that scenario right here. So in other words, this is what's kind of awaiting me. I have to decide which scenario is the best, right? I have to decide which scenario is the best, or rather not decide, but I have to simply test those scenarios, and which one will prove statistically to be the best one, right? That one I'm gonna use. Okay, so that's it for this part. Now, as far as the other part is concerned, that that the other account, the small account that I'm trading, and I'm looking at this. So in other words, this chart is the M1, simply the 1 minute chart, on which we can see those Renko bars. So in other words, these boxes here that you see, those green and red boxes, are exactly those Renko bars. Now the idea here is to trade like this manually, of course. So just by clicking the buttons, right? So the first trade was taken right here, according to the direction, so the trend direction and some price action. Now I got out of it right here because it didn't reach the take profit. It pulled back again. Yeah, it pulled back once, pulled back second time. Now it was pulling back a third time, so I got out of it. Then I continued because, well, basically the market found support here, so I repeated the trade, and again it kind of stopped, so I got out of it. You see, it pulled back and then it went all the way up there. Now, yeah, right here, the next trade, this one was simply a very manual trade without using my expert advisor. I put my stop loss right here, and again we can see that it only required time and waiting because the stop loss was my mouse wheel stopped working properly. Anyways, now you see my stop loss was right here, so it was safe, and then the trade continued upwards. Anyways, I took what I took. Later on, I wasn't trading anymore because I was engaged more with these with my expert advisor, with my algorithm for Renko trading. So I basically took one more trade right here. Well, I could have taken the trade over there. That was one opportunity. I could have taken this trade somewhere over here. This was another opportunity, right? I decided to take this opportunity like this, and it worked out, and it simply worked out, right? So this was a very good trade for even more than the required 15 pips, yeah, from here to here. So this was a very good trade. We can see it was Dada's trade ruler manager take profit, because yeah, for the manual trading for the manual trading the take profit level is always put there. There is no virtual take profit for manual trading, at least not yet, right? Yeah, so that's it. That's it for today. Like I said, I'm still in the process of working on my algorithm for the Renko charts trading. The ATR seems to be a very important element in this game. Because when the ATR is too low in relation to the size of the Renko brick, then it simply means that the market is in consolidation, and when the market gets into a consolidation, well, there's a bigger chance of getting signals that will simply not work, but will be losing. So that's why this ATR restriction. I just need to figure out exactly which what value of ATR I must use for the specific context of my trading, of my Renko bar or Renko brick size. So I think it has to be 3 times the Renko brick size. So if my Renko brick size is 11 pips, then I think I should put my minimum ATR at about 33 pips. That's the MTR of M15 of two periods of M15. Anyways, this is something I have to think about more. Anyways, so like I said, come join my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and also please please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified about my videos, and also you can become my Patreon. The link to my patreon.com is under also in the descriptions below. You can use the Patreon option, or you can use the direct by PayPal and become the VIP on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and take advantage of the benefits that come with becoming my VIP. You can read about those benefits on a special channel that is called Patreon Benefits on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server. So one more time, please join. Thank you very much for today. Please keep safe, and see you next time. Bye.